Good morning, dear friends. You are welcome on my YouTube channel Biology by Dr. Zakhar sir. Today we will discuss about lysosome. Lysosome means of lyso. Lyso means digestion. Lyso means digestion, and some means body. So we can say that the another name of lysosome is digestive body according to their meaning. So we can say that another name of lysosome is digestive body. The discovery and nomenclature was given by C. D. Dewey, scientist. Discovery and nomenclature was given by C. D. Dewey, scientist. One is another scientist name is P. Martile, who discovered lysosome in Neurospora fungi. So we can say that lysosome was discovered in Neurospora fungi by P. Martile, scientist. So we can say that lysosome is present in plant cell as well as in animal cell. So we can say that lysosome is present in plant cell and animal cell. But in comparison, in the number of lysosome is more in animal cell than to plant cell, because the main digestion take place in animal cell. So we can write that number of lysosome is more in animal cell than plant cell. Another point is that lysosome is present in all eukaryotic cell, which may be plant cell or animal cell, but absent in prokaryotic cell. So we can say that lysosome is present in all eukaryotic cell. Lysosome is present in all eukaryotic cells, maybe plant cell, maybe animal cells. Another point is that lysosome is absent in prokaryotic cell and mature mammalian RBC. So we can write that lysosome is absent in prokaryotic cell and mature mammalian RBC. Because prokaryotic cell do not have any type of cell membranous cell organelles. So lysosome is absent in prokaryotic cell and mature mammalian RBC. The the lysosome have only one single membrane in their covering. So we can say that lysosome is a single membranous structure. This is the single membranous structure, only have one unit membrane in their covering. So lysosome is have single membrane in their structure. The size of lysosome is 0.25 micrometer to 0.8 micrometer. This is the diameter of lysosome. This is the diameter of lysosome. So diameter of lysosome is 0.25 micrometer to 0.8 micrometer. Another point is shape of lysosome. So we can say that the shape of lysosome is spherical in shape and sac-like structure. So we can say that shape is spherical sac-like structure. Sac-like structure. This is the shape of lysosome. Now lysosome have one large vacuole in their structures, and these vacuoles have 50 types of hydrolytic enzyme. This hydrolytic enzyme is also known as digestive enzyme. So we can write that lysosome have a large vacuole, in their structure. These vacuoles have 50 types of enzymes, 50 types of enzyme which known as hydrolytic enzyme, which is known as hydrolytic enzyme or digestive enzyme. So we can say that lysosome have a large vacuole in their structure, and these vacuoles have 50 types of enzymes known as hydrolytic enzyme or digestive enzymes. The nature of these enzymes are acidic in nature. So we can write that all enzymes which are present in lysosomes are acidic in nature. So we can say that all enzymes of lysosomes are acidic in nature. All enzymes works on pH equal to 5. All enzymes of lysosome work on pH equal to 5. This is the acidic pH. So we can say that all enzymes of lysosome are acidic in nature. Another things is that lysosome is also known as suicidal bag of cell. Lysosome also known as suicidal bag of cell. Because there are following regions suicidal bag of cell because first is lysosome digest all dead, damaged and aged cell from the body, or you can say that lysosome remove all damaged, aged and dead cells from the body. So we can say that lysosome is a suicidal bag of cell because lysosome digest dead, damaged and aged cell from body. So this is the one reason to call lysosome as a suicidal bag. Another reason is it digests all external materials which enter in lysosome. So lysosome digest all external materials. So we can say that lysosome is also known as a suicidal bag of cell. Another point is that lysosome is polymorphic in nature. Polymorphic means the cell organelles which have different type of forms. So we can say that lysosome is polymorphic in nature, means the cell organelles which have so many types known as polymorphic. So we can say the following types of lysosome. So now we will study about the types of lysosome. First lysosome is primary lysosome. The recently originated lysosome from Golgi body known as primary lysosome. Recently originated lysosome from Golgi body known as primary lysosome. This lysosome have only hydrolytic enzyme in their structure, or these enzymes are inactive in nature. So we can say that recently originated lysosome from Golgi body known as primary lysosome. This lysosome have only inactive, this is the important, inactive hydrolytic enzyme. This lysosome have only inactive hydrolytic enzyme. This lysosome is known as primary lysosome. So recently originated lysosome from Golgi body is known as primary lysosome. Second is secondary lysosome. It is also known as a heterophagosome. Also known as a digestive vacuoles. These are the another names of lysosomes. Heterophagosome and digestive vacuoles is another names of secondary lysosome. What is secondary lysosome? When the primary lysosome ingest food material, this combined food particle, this combined structure known as secondary lysosome. secondary lysosome. So we can say that primary lysosome plus food particle known as secondary lysosome. Third lysosome is that residual lysosome, residual body. Third type of lysosome is residual body. This is the food material. The hydrolytic enzyme will digest this food material, and digested part will pass in cytoplasm. Remaining part is known as excretory product or indigested material. The lysosome which have indigested material in their structure known as residual body. So we can say that lysosome which have indigested food particle, lysosome which have indigested food particle known as residual body. And last one is autophagic lysosome. Last type of lysosome is, fourth type of lysosome is autophagic lysosome. Autophagic lysosome. The lysosome which digest all cell organelles. The lysosome which helps in digestion of cell organelles known as autophagic lysosome. So this procedure, digestion of cell organelles, is known as autolysis. So we can say that lysosome which digest cell organelles known as autophagic lysosome. So the lysosome which digests cell organelles known as autophagic lysosome. The process of digestion of cell organelles known as autolysis. What is the autolysis? Autolysis, the process by which lysosome digest cell organelles known as autolysis. These are the four types of lysosome. Now we will discuss about the function of lysosome. The following are the functions of lysosome. Functions of lysosome. First function is digestion of external materials. First function is digestion of external materials. The materials which enter in lysosome from outside are digested by lysosome. So this is the first function of lysosome. Second function is that lysosome helps in intracellular digestion. So lysosome helps in intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion means the digestion which take place inside the cell. The digestion which take place inside the cell known as intracellular digestion. So lysosome helps intracellular digestion. Third one is lysosome also help in extracellular digestion, means outside the cell. Lysosome lysosome also help in extracellular digestion. For example, during the fertilization, the acrosome of sperm secrete hydrolytic enzyme from lysosome of acrosome. These hydrolytic enzyme helps in digestion of egg membrane. So digestion or lysis of egg membrane by hydrolytic enzyme of acrosome of sperm during fertilization. So a lysosome also help in extracellular digestion. This is the example of extracellular digestion or lysis of egg membrane by hydrolytic enzyme of acrosome of sperm during the fertilization is the example of extracellular digestion of lysosome. Another function is autolysis. Autolysis means digestion of cell organelles. Digestion of cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body and another cell organelles. Digestion of cell organelles known as autolysis. Fifth one is lysosome also help in initiation of mitosis division. Lysosome also help in initiation of mitosis division. And it is also important for the metamorphosis of frog. Also lysosome also help in metamorphosis of frog. So it is also helpful for metamorphosis of frog. Last one thing is that GERL. What is GERL? GERL means the full form of GERL is that Golgi associated endoplasmic reticulum lysosome means endoplasmic reticulum produce Golgi body and this Golgi body produce lysosome. So we can say that both ER and Golgi body helps in production of lysosome. So this is about the lysosome. Thanks.